Okay, on to the pud. So this is based on a Peruvian dessert called Suspiro de limena. So in here we have dulce de leche, that's like a sweet kind of toffee milk. We've got some damsons from Shirley again. This is kind of like a quinoa and cinnamon sugar. And some Italian meringue. And we're just going to get straight in and start plating up. So I'm going to do it in 2 different glasses so you can decide how you want to do it at home. But we'll start off with the dolce. It's a super sweet. We're going to go for the damsons. We'll take our bag with the meringue. And we're going to turn it into a piping bag, hopefully. Something like that. Piping is not really my forte, but hey ho. Let's just spoon it. Spoon it around with a warm spoon perhaps. And then we'll sprinkle with this.